in a Neil Simon movie, and I learned the importance of saying exactly what is written on the page. So the movie I was in was directed by Herbert Ross. This guy was huge. He directed Footloose, he directed Steel Magnolias, The Turning Point, and it goes on and on and on. And I was in this film with Marsha Mason and Donald Sutherland. The scene I was in was with this former child star. And Herbert Ross loved to rehearse. So he was blocking us and decided that while he was blocking us and figuring out the scene, he wanted us to do our dialogue. So he yells, "Action!" And the former child star starts reciting dialogue that has nothing to do with the scene. And Herbert Ross went crazy. "Cut! Cut! Cut! What are you reading?" And the actor said, "I was doing my lines." Herbert Ross said, "Whose lines? Those aren't Neil Simon's lines." Everything on the set stopped. The director took the actor to the side, got the script supervisor, and made them go off so he could learn the lines. The whole set was shut down for an hour. You know that cost a lot of money to just shut down the set for an hour so this guy could learn his lines. He is so lucky he didn't get fired, because I heard that years before, Mary Tyler Moore did not know her lines when she was working with Neil Simon, and she got fired. That was probably one of the biggest on-the-job training moments I have ever had, because it reiterated for me the importance of coming to the set prepared, knowing your lines, and being ready to deliver the goods. Here's the big takeaway I got from Herbert Ross. Your job as an actor is to deliver the lines as they are written. So here's what you need to know about Neil Simon's writing. Don't ever, ever rewrite Neil Simon. Neil Simon crafted every word perfectly. No word was on the page by mistake. His lines have rhythm, and you have to follow the rhythm. The actor does not elevate Neil Simon's material. The material elevates the actor. And the director didn't let the actors bring in a to the writing. Read it exactly as it is written. Herbert Ross was also an old school director where it wasn't about the actor. If the director is the painter, then the writer is the creator of the structure, and the actor is just the color. Your job as the actor is to pop. If you learned something about working in a Neil Simon project, type "makes sense" in the comment below. And I'll see you next time for more common sense on how to be a successful actor in Hollywood.